Hello, traders. Before we jump in, if you want a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that comes with a bunch of built in indicators and candlestick patterns, you can grab it using the link in the description below. So, in this video, I am reviewing Sentinel AI EA from Valerie Trading. So let us start on their website because there is a lot laid out here. So I'll just go top to bottom as it is presented. Right at the top, Sentinel AI is described as an AI powered grid trading system that combines deep learning neural networks with ChatGPT and bad forecasts to spot what they call high potential trading opportunities. Now, it also has a portfolio mode meant to let it run alongside other Valerie trading EAs. Okay. And they mention comprehensive risk management along with prop firm compatibility. Now, right underneath that, there is a MyFxBook verification badge. Sorry, beside that, there is a MyFxBook verification badge with an equity chart for Sentinel AI. As it's tagged as grid AI driven, running on 2 pairs and the M5 time frame. So I'll just come back to that chart in a minute. The site then leans into what it calls undeniable authority through rare longevity, or rather longevity. The claim here is that their algorithms have been running live on real money accounts since 2018, with track records going back that far, fully verified by MyFxBook and with transparent drawdown reporting. There is also an interview section with quotes from industry figures and existing users, which is worth knowing is there, though obviously testimonials and marketing content, not independently verified performance. Okay, now to the numbers, because this is the part most of you are here for. So according to the performance panel on the site, Sentinel AI shows a lifetime gain of 426.72%. Sorry, 426.74. We can see that here. 426.74%, an average monthly return of 2.05%, and an average daily return of 0.07%, with a track record of 7+ years and 71 out of 72 months in profit. The maximum drawdown listed here is 75.74%. Okay. So here I can see that the deposit was $2,000, and the balance as at the time of this, info, $10,532.14. All right. And it is actually marked as a verified MyFxBook. Okay. Now let us get into how the EA actually operates. All right. Based on what is confirmed on the site, it trades Euro USD and GBP USD on the M5 time frame using a grid based approach confirmed under uses grid. Okay, we can see here that it is confirmed as part of the configuration. It is listed as FIFO compliant. It runs on a one chart setup and is described as multi-currency. Risk management is listed as one risk set, and it is marked as not sensitive to slippage. All right, on the feature list, it includes an advanced news filter, a stock market crash filter, a negative swap filter, a new year holiday filter, auto GMT detection, and a self-diagnostic system, along with a statistics panel and backtesting data. It also requires a VPS and needs market execution. So on the AI side, beyond the grid logic, the site specifically mentions ChatGPT and bad integration for generating forecasts. That is a fairly unusual claim for an EA. And the site doesn't go into detail on how that integration actually feeds into trade decisions. So I'll just leave it as stated without speculating further on the mechanics. All right, so platform wise, this one's confirmed for both MT4 and MT5. The purchase includes 10 MetaTrader 4 or 5 licenses under a one-time lifetime license. And now on the historical performance, remember that this is historical data, and historical performance does not guarantee future results. Results can vary depending on your broker, execution, spread, and the market conditions going forward. Okay, a gain of 426.74% over 7+ years with 71 out of 72 months in profit is a notable consistency figure worth sitting with. But the drawdown is the number I would want every trader watching, to pay close attention to. All right, remember that based on the provided information, there was actually a drawdown of 75.74%, and it has a very large drawdown. So that is the kind of figure that speaks directly to how much of an account this strategy is capable of giving back during a rough stretch. And it is worth weighing against the monthly average return before deciding if that risk profile fits how you trade. Okay, now on pricing, Sentinel AI is listed at $999 US dollars, $999, down from a stated $2,800 as one-time payment. That includes the 10 MT4 and MT5 licenses, a 30-day money back guarantee, 30 days of free Valerie VPS, prop firm set files, a 120 plus page user guide, and access to a private Telegram group. So wrapping this up, based purely on what is shown, Sentinel AI is a grid-based AI-assisted system confirmed for both MT4 and MT5, trading Euro USD and GBP USD on M5 with a long-running MyFxBook verified track record and a fairly extensive filter and risk management feature set. So the trade-off that stands out from the data itself is the drawdown, which is substantial relative to the average monthly gain. This is not financial advice, and I'm not telling you to use this or any EA. If this is something you are considering, just dig into the full MyFxBook history yourself, understand exactly what that drawdown could mean for your account size, and do your own testing before committing real capital. No EA fits every trader or every market condition, so the due diligence is on you. So that is the review. Let me know what you'd want me to look at next. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.